This footage is from a Russian sniper team, recorded through their rifle scope and GoPro cameras. The snipers moved to a position in the Kharkiv region and chose a building to fire from. From there, they fire at Ukrainian soldiers using what seems to be an incendiary round. After the strike, a wounded Ukrainian soldier is seen being followed, and later an FPV drone flies toward him. The snipers then moved closer to the building and the impact area. The crater on the ground shows that it was caused by artillery fire, not an FPV drone. During the events, 4 Ukrainian soldiers surrendered to the sniper team. The rest of the video shows these prisoners being taken to a Russian position for questioning and processing. This situation shows how effective the sniper team was. The Ukrainian soldiers understood they could not move forward or receive supplies because the snipers had them completely pinned down.